Today we are looking at a clipper shaker conveyor. We've clamped this unit to the forklift tongs so we can fire it up. This unit will not stay in position while running unless it's bolted to the underside of a cleaner or bolted to a solid floor. So we had to clamp it to the forklift forks. To wire it up, we removed the electrical box cover on the motor. We have the electrical box cover and we'll be reinstalling that once this video is finished. We completely rebuilt this unit, put all new bearings in it. Just going to do a walk around of it. This unit is in like new condition again and is ready to go out and perform for a long time. We put a brand new motor on this unit. Now on these shaker conveyors, it is imperative that the direction of rotation goes to the discharge of the shaker conveyor. So you want it to spin towards the shaker conveyor. In this case, it is counterclockwise. If the motor was over here on this side, it would be clockwise. Now we're going to fire it up for you so you can see it run. Fires right up. There are no irregular noises. Runs nice and smooth, nice and quiet. You can see it's shaking back and forth quite a bit. Again, that's why we had to clamp it to the forklift tongs. Hums right along. There's no rubbing or knocking. Runs nice and smooth. Again, this unit is completely rebuilt and is ready to go out again and perform. Thank you for watching.